Good morning. So today is the shave with whatever you want day. So I'm going to shave with what I want. And I'm going to use a pre-shave for once. That pre-shave today is going to be Best Choice Extra Virgin Olive Oil. Just going to apply it lightly with my fingers. The scent on this is actually pretty decent. It smells straight up like a mixture of olive and oil, hence olive oil. It seems to have good slickness. I'm hoping that it'll add to the post shave as well. All right. And then for our shaving soap or cream or whatever of choice today, it's gonna be a shave cream. We're gonna be using Kroger whipped topping, extra creamy, because I feel like let's go big or go home. So I'm gonna scoop some out. We're using our Razor Rock 24 barrel brush. We're gonna apply some of this onto here. I thought I would just put the brush straight into the tub, then I realized that might be kind of gross. So add some water. I think we got a good load here. The load just fell right off. So let's try part two. I'll try mashing it into the bristles a little bit. There we go. I think that's a good load. So this is a cream that you want to load heavily, because I've discovered it goes on very thin. The scent strength on this is mild. It smells like a combination of whips and cream. Yeah, you can see it's kind of thin, but I think it'll make do. This is all over my jacket now. That's awesome. All right. And for today's daily challenge, it is shave without a mirror. So I'm going to be turning around and taking my sweet precious time. I've done this blindfolded already, so I figured what's the difference. So got a razor, my Core 34C with the Gillette Silver Blue. And I will see you guys in a few minutes. I can feel the olive oil doing its job of adding some slickness. I can feel the blade. There's ever slight tugging, but it's still comfortable. think we're good. Alrighty. So we got a single pass. I can feel the residual slickness from the cream and the olive oil. It's good stuff. Alrighty. I think we're good for the day. Thank you for joining me. Peace.